Okay, good morning. Uh, with the thanks to Santhin Murugan sir for his PPT uploaded on slides here. With the new permission, I would like to teach you multiplier with the help of this PPT. Multiplier. Concept of multiplier. What is multiplier in economics? The aggregate demand is composed of. I have already taught you what is aggregate demand and what is aggregate supply, and I will again summarize. Again brief you about this, and we will go with the explanation of multiplier with the help of these basics. Consumption's demand and investment demand. It depends upon two things. From the concepts of multiplier, it is known how much and how many times income increases as investment is done. Now multiplier, with the help of multiplier, we know how much or how many times, कितना और कितनी बार इनकम में वृद्धि होगी, आय में वृद्धि होगी अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट में वृद्धि की जाती है. ठीक है. तो as investment increases, national income increases proportionately much more. As the investment increases, national income increases, and in proportion it is more. How many times it increases depends upon the MPC, marginal propensity to consume. कितना बढ़ेगा, कितनी बार बढ़ेगा, ये डिपेंड करेगा marginal propensity to consume पे. Higher the MPC, the national income will be greater due to investment. These all are one-liner. You must remember. It may be objective questions in future in many exams. ठीक है. Higher the MPC, the national income will be greater due to investment. Marginal propensity to consume. What is this marginal propensity to consume? Already I have explained you consumption functions and investment functions, but again I will recap. Ratio of change in consumptions to change in income indicate that part of additional income which is not spent on consumption. It is a ratio of change in consumption to the change in income, and it indicates the additional income which is not spent for consumption. जो पैसा बच गया जो consumption में खर्च नहीं हुआ वो ये बताता है. Exemplic ratio, if say national income is equal to 200 crore from 1000 crore. ठीक है. It has increased. Consumption expenditure 900 crore from 800 crore. MPC is 100 but 200 is equal to 0.5. Marginal propensity to consume is this. What is investment? That part of income which is used for further production expenditure made for the creation of new capital assets like machines, tools, etc. So this is called investment. And what are the types of investment? That it is enumerated in this slides. That is autonomous investment, private or public investment, then induced investment. The Keynesian system, that is planned and actual investment. Investment has three components. It was a three component: plant and equipment, residential investments, and inventory investments. Investment has three components, and those are plant and equipment, residential investment, and inventory investment. Now, these are the this is mathematical representation of consumption function. That is, consumption function depends upon the level of disposable income. Disposable income is what? Income is equal to income minus taxes. What we earn and what we paid through taxes, the difference is all known as disposable income. Some consumption is autonomous, that is independent of disposable income, disposable personal income. It may depend on other factors such as wealth or stock values. Even at zero income, Bill Gates should consume something. That is, at even you don't have income, there will be consumption. See, the consumption function proposed by Keynes is C is equal to C0 plus Cy y minus t, where Cy is marginal propensity to consume. And the marginal propensity to consume plays a central role in the Keynesian system. Keep your eye on the MPC in the following slides. In the next slides. Now, what is multiplier? Change in investment leads to change in national income, as I have discussed earlier. Change in national income is multiple of change in investment. You are changing the investment, it means you are changing the national income. This multiple is termed as multiplier or investment multiplier. The multiple, 2 into something, 3 into something. This multiple is known as multiplier. Investment multiplier is increase of change in national income as a result of change in investment. Now, what is multiplier or investment multiplier? Is measure of change in national income as a result of change in the investment. इन्वेस्टमेंट में जो परिवर्तन होगा उससे नेशनल इनकम में क्या परिवर्तन होता है, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर मेजर करता है, वही मेजर है इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर मेजर है। कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट करने से कितनी बार या कितना गुना नेशनल इनकम इंक्रीज होगा, वो वैल्यू जो कहलाता है वो वैल्यू मल्टीप्लायर कहलाता है। ठीक है, एग्जांपल देखिए, नेशनल इनकम इंक्रीजेज 300 करोड़ एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ इंक्रीज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 100 करोड़। अगर 100 करोड़ रुपया इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ाते हैं तो नेशनल इनकम 300 करोड़ बढ़ जाता है। हियर k is equal to, that is multiplier is equal to 3 into 300 by 100. 300 by 100 is what? Again, the assumptions of multiplier. What are the assumptions? मान्यताएं क्या है एम्प्लायर के मल्टीप्लायर के? तो देयर इज ऑटोनोमस इन्वेस्टमेंट इन इकोनॉमी, एक अर्थव्यवस्था में हम एक इन्वेस्टमेंट होता रहता है। देन मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, एमपीसी इज कांस्टेंट फॉर मल्टीप्लायर, एमपीसी शुड बी कांस्टेंट। No time lag between receipt of income and its disposable in form of consumptions. If you are earning and you are expending, there is no time lag in between that. Then net increase in investment, there is increase in investment. Supply of consumer goods is always in economy. Supply of consumer goods is always in the economy. These all are assumptions of multiplier. Now, features of multiplier. What are the features of multiplier? It is associated with the change in investment. अभी जस्ट हमने डेफिनेशन से ही बताया था कि इन्वेस्टमेंट चेंज होगा तो मल्टीप्लायर वो ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट को या आपके नेशनल इनकम को इंक्रीज करेगा। तो ये संबंधित किससे है? इन्वेस्टमेंट से संबंधित है। साइज ऑफ द मल्टीप्लायर डिपेंड अपॉन द साइज। अब मल्टीप्लायर का क्या साइज होगा ये डिपेंड करेगा कि आपका मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम क्या है। मल्टीप्लायर वर्क्स इन बोथ फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शंस, कम भी हो सकता है, ज्यादा भी हो सकता है। एंड वैल्यू ऑफ मल्टीप्लायर वेरीज फ्रॉम, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वैल्यू ऑफ मल्टीप्लायर वेरीज फ्रॉम यूनिटी टू इंफिनिटी। ठीक है, एक से अनंत तक होता है। साइज ऑफ मल्टीप्लायर क्या होगा? हायर द एमपीसी, अगेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन, हाइलाइटेड पॉइंट्स यू मस्ट रिमेंबर। हायर द एमपीसी लार्जर द मल्टीप्लायर साइज। एमपीसी ज्यादा होगा तो मल्टीप्लायर का जो वैल्यू होगा, साइज होगा, ज्यादा होगा। लार्जर पॉसिबल एमपीसी इज यूनिटी, लार्जेस्ट पॉसिबल एमपीसी। एमपीसी का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या हो सकता है? 1 हो सकता है, यूनिटी है। एंड इफ एमपीसी इज 0, मल्टीप्लायर इज यूनिटी। अगर एमपीसी 0 है तो मल्टीप्लायर अनंत होगा। ठीक है, एंड there is one formula for multiplier, k is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC, that is reciprocal of marginal propensity to save. ठीक है, multiplier is equal to, again it is a question, objective question, k is equal to 1 minus k is representing here multiplier, so k is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. This is a formula where we are using the multiplier. Multiplier is used as a tools of analyzing growth, planning, projecting investment requirement, tool for achieving targeted growth rate if MPC is given, tool for analyzing the fluctuations in the economy, an important tool for analyzing impact of taxation, foreign trade, and in the economy. There is always limitations of everything, so multiplier has also its limitation. And limitation of multipliers are, multiplier depends on a large number of factors along with MPC. MPC के साथ साथ और फैक्टर्स पे भी डिपेंड करता है। देन एफिशिएंसी ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, देन प्रोडक्शन की अपनी एक सीमाएं होती हैं, एक रेगुलर इन्वेस्टमेंट होना चाहिए। ठीक है, मल्टीप्लायर पीरियड है, देन मल्टीप्लायर एम्प्लॉयमेंट, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट सीलिंग, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट की एक सीमा है। अगेन assumption that goods and services are available in adequate supply, ये इसमें एक सी मान्यता है, जो एक लिमिटेशन है इसका, कि ऐसा संभव हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता। ये मान्यता है कि अच्छा मान लिया जाता है कि गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज का एक एडिक्वेट सप्लाई है, पर्याप्त सप्लाई है, एंड गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज कैन नॉट बी प्रोड्यूस्ड इन एक्सेस ऑफ देयर फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल। These all are the multipliers limitations. And what is the importance? What are the importance of multiplier? Multiplier useful to analyze public investment. आप कितना इन्वेस्ट करेंगे इसको एनालाइज करने में यूजफुल होता है। रिमूव डिप्रेशन थ्रू गवर्नमेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट, मल्टीप्लायर्स, एंड देन अचीविंग फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट, ये सब अचीव करने में मल्टीप्लायर हेल्प करता है। देन मार्जिनल एफिशिएंसी ऑफ कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयमेंट राइजेस एंड प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टमेंट इज इनकरेज्ड। ठीक है। Concepts, what are the concepts of multiplier? Static multiplier, multiplier is static, comparative static multiplier, and dynamic multiplier. Three types of multipliers are there. The three concepts are there in the multiplier, that is static multiplier, comparative static multiplier, and dynamic multiplier. What is employment multiplier? Government undertakes public works. This leads to initial and primary employment. This results in increase in demand for consumption goods, which in turn provides more employment. That is employment multiplier. What government has done? Government has done expenditure through public works, and which has led to the employment and further to the consumption of goods and increase in economy. Now, multiplier in underdeveloped countries doesn't apply to underdeveloped countries like India. Regions demands can be met easily in developed countries. Supply of raw materials is elastic in developed countries. There is no involuntary employment. Leakages in the income stream and their effects of multiplier, paying of debts, idle cash balances, imports, purchase of existing securities, and price inflation. Again, formula, multiplier formula, that's all. So, in your exam, in view of this examination, in BA Part 2, you will be asked to write notes on multiplier. Next class, I will teach you accelerator. So, you will be asked to write a note. Generally, it is asked in the BA Part 2 exam, write a notes on multiplier. And with the help of these slides, you can write a brief note on multiplier, and you can make the examiners understand that you know about the multiplier. So that's all today, and I am finishing the class. I will come back with the class on accelerator tomorrow, same time. Thank you.